Welcome to the School of Maritime Studies at Centurion University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. A beacon of excellence in maritime education, nestled in a world-class campus, we are shaping the future of the maritime industry by empowering the next generation of seafarers and engineers. Our journey begins in the welcoming lobby, a vibrant space where aspirations take flight and dreams set sail. Here, students step into a hub of innovation, opportunity, and learning. Step inside our cutting-edge classrooms where knowledge meets technology and hands-on learning shapes confident professionals. Complementing these spaces are our two grand auditoriums, the starboard and port halls, designed to host seminars, workshops, and vibrant discussions that ignite new ideas and collaborative learning. Experience the thrill of navigating the high seas in our state-of-the-art navigation simulator. From route planning to collision avoidance, students immerse themselves in real-world scenarios, mastering the skills needed to guide ships with precision and confidence. In the engine simulator room, aspiring marine engineers dive deep into the mechanics of ship operations. Here, they learn to manage and troubleshoot advanced propulsion systems, ensuring they are ready for life on board. Our library is a treasure trove of maritime knowledge, housing an extensive collection of resources dedicated to engineering and nautical sciences. At the heart of our institution are our faculty and administrative teams. With open door policies and personalized guidance, they ensure every student thrives in their academic journey. Leadership and vision come together in the offices of our principal and director. Their unwavering commitment drives our mission to set global standards in maritime education. Our STCW training ground is where theory meets action. Equipped with a swimming pool and lifeboat facilities, students gain hands-on training in emergency response, survival techniques, and safety protocols, preparing them for real-life challenges at sea. At the School of Maritime Studies, we offer an array of courses including graduate marine engineering, diploma in nautical science, electrotechnical officer training, general purpose rating, and bachelor in nautical sciences. With cutting-edge infrastructure, immersive simulators, and expert faculty, we ensure our students graduate as skilled, confident, and industry-ready professionals. The School of Maritime Studies, where passion meets purpose and futures are built. Join us in Bhubaneswar, Odisha to embark on a journey towards excellence. Welcome aboard.